are mainly going to have a drier weekend here across the state. However, we head into tomorrow. We'll have some isolated storm chances for Salt Lake, Ogden, and for Provo. Tomorrow starting at about lunchtime, taking you through 5 o'clock. So we'll have some storm chances tomorrow. Not that great of a chance. What we're seeing tonight, a few showers out towards Dugway. We had some stronger storms that developed near Lake Powell earlier this evening. We did end up with one flash flood warning that was going into Lake Powell that expired at 3 o'clock. Beyond that, we're expecting our strongest storms near the Colorado border and into Colorado through our overnight hours and into tomorrow. Mostly dry as you wake up for Friday morning. It'll be a really nice start to your Friday, with then temperatures tomorrow rising around 80 to 90 for the Wasatch Front, likely with our strongest storms into Colorado. However, we do have some isolated storms in the forecast here across the state. But if we see any storms developing with heavy rainfall, those would most likely be east of I-15 for tomorrow. And then as we look at our upper moisture forecast through the weekend, high pressure starts to build. We end up with drier conditions. Pausing this on Sunday just to show you, we'll keep some storms into Wyoming and Colorado this weekend, but then we'll mainly have a break to begin next week. However, by the end of next week, Thursday into Friday especially, we'll have the chance for some more storms to develop, likely a more monsoonal pattern here across the region. For Ogden, your chance of precipitation tomorrow is isolated. A mainly dry weekend ahead. For Provo, your chance of precipitation tomorrow isolated, maybe some lingering showers into Saturday for Utah County and for central and southern Utah, but really just going to keep things pretty hot and dry for most of the state this weekend. And for St. George, isolated storms for tomorrow with some increasing chances for showers to return Thursday night, and next Friday. But too much, we're still too far out to have too much confidence in exactly how storms could potentially play out at the end of next week. So just something that we're keeping our eye on for now. Just know it's going to get hot until then. By Monday and Tuesday, close to 100 to 105 in St. George for the Wasatch Front. Our hottest day is Tuesday at 96. But through the weekend, we're close to 90 degrees here in Salt Lake. As we break down our storm chances here in the Salt Lake Valley, we're looking at some isolated potentials for tomorrow. And then our temperatures as we wrap up August and start September for our days 8 to 14 outlook. This will be the first week of September. Above average temperatures, and in that same time frame, we're looking at above average precipitation. So September very well could be off to a warm and wet start here across the Beehive State.